In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the text color in Canva. Whether you're new to Canva or simply need a little refresher, this guide is just what you need to personalize your design projects with a splash of color. Let's dive in and walk through the steps, ensuring each click is clear and straightforward. First, open your web browser and navigate to Canva's website. Once the page loads, you'll see the option to log in. Click on Login, which will redirect you to the login page. If you've used Canva before, you'll see various ways to log in, such as using Google or Facebook, or by entering your email and password. For now, I'll assume you've used Google. So once you click on Continue with Google, a window will appear displaying the Google accounts associated with your browser. Select your account from this list, allowing Canva to authenticate your login information. Now that you're logged in, it's time to find the project you want to work on. You can either open an existing project or start a new design from scratch. For this tutorial, imagine you're going to edit a project you've already started. Once your project is open, scan through it and locate the text element whose color you'd like to change. Click directly on that text element. You'll notice a toolbar appear above or around the text box. One of the tools you should see is the text color icon, usually represented by the letter A with a color bar underneath. Click on this icon, and a drop-down menu of color options will appear. Here, you'll find an array of colors, including some default colors, your brand colors if you're using Canva for business, and a color wheel for creating custom shades. Hover over the colors to get a preview. When you find the shade you want, simply click to apply it to your selected text. Voila! Your text's color has now been updated. After you make your changes, give your project another once-over to ensure everything checks out. If you're happy with it, great. You might want to save your work either by clicking the download button if you're looking to export, or simply allowing Canva to auto-save your work in the cloud. And there you have it, a simple, quick way to adjust text color in Canva. It's a small but mighty tool that lets you easily align your design elements with your brand's color palette, ensure text readability, or even just freshen up the look of your design. Practice these steps a few times and you'll find it becomes second nature. Thanks for joining me today and happy designing.